Welcome to Drug Law India, your free resource for legal education. In today's lecture, we are going to cover what is law and what are the various ways in which jurists belonging to various schools of law have defined law. So let us begin. We'll begin with a general definition about law. Law is nothing but a foundation of every civilized society. It regulates human conduct and maintains uniformity within society. The word law has been derived from a Teutonic word ley. Teutonia was a tribe in Germany, and the word has Teutonic origin, and the word ley itself means uniform or fixed. So in general, we can say that law is nothing but set of rules to govern society and to expect uniformity within society, a uniform behavior of people who constitute the society. Now, the word law has been defined in numerous ways by various jurists. These are various schools of law, starting from ethical, analytical, realist, positivist, historical, natural, sociological, and there are numerous ways in which various schools of law have been defined, about which you will be studying in a subject called jurisprudence. But for the purpose of this lecture, we'll focus on only three definitions given by three eminent jurists over here. One is definition by John Austin, and it's perhaps the most simplest definition and yet most cited even today. John Austin said that law is command of the sovereign. Now, since it is the state whose responsibility it is to ensure that the society is following law, and hence he defined law as the command of the supreme ruler or the sovereign. Now, the next definition is by Sir John William Salmond. He said that law is body of principle recognized and applied by the state in administration of justice. And this is one of my favorite definition given by Hans Kelsen, who was the founder of the positivist school. And he gave birth to the idea of Grundnorm. Now, Grundnorm is nothing but a law or set of rules on which entire other law of a nation or a state depend. So if you take example of India, then the constitution of India is our Grundnorm. Next definition is by Roscoe from sociological school. He said that law is a social engineering tool which balances conflicts of interest among various groups within a society. Now the we'll study functions of law, which are discussed under broadly 10 major heads. The first one being maintenance of law and order. Second one, protection of rights and liberties. Third one is administration of justice. Then fourth one is regulation of human conduct. Fifth one is protection of property and economic interests. Promotion of social welfare. Law is also an instrument of social change, settlement of disputes through mechanisms such as alternate dispute resolution. Next comes the maintenance of international relations. And last but not the least, and one of the most important function of law is to maintain rule of law within society. Now here I've elaborated in my notes each and every 10 head that I just discussed. You can go through it. The link I'm sharing in description. You can find entire notes that we'll be covering in this subject. If you go through this, I've highlighted the important points in these notes. You can go through it once, twice before exams, and I'm sure you'll be doing well. That's all for this lecture. We'll see you in the next video.